Hey, y'all. So I got one of my Black Friday orders in. This moment is yours. But while I'm showing you this, hi, my name is Lashawnterry. Welcome to the Rich Gang. Please subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when I upload, and look at my playlist to see what other things we share in common. So I had given y'all two videos on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and small business, whatever, things that I like, and that was going to give some good deals. She gives you a card. So we got May Lindstrom here. May Lindstrom was running a very good Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It went all the way until December 2nd. Which was yesterday. Basically, if you spend $200, you got a free brush, which you still can get now, but you got a free brush, treatment brush, and a full size bottle of their used dew. Let me see what that stuff called. Well, yeah, the used dew. And you got an instant $50 credit to use towards future purchases. So that is no longer there. You still will get a money credit depending on how much you spend. Also, too, you get free shipping with $200 order. So I ordered right before their small business Saturday and Cyber Monday. But I emailed them and said, hey, did I qualify for the $50 credit because I only had a $15 credit. And she said, you ordered, I think it was a day or two before, but we'll give you the $50 credit. So I do have a $50 credit to use, and I want to get some more of the Jasmine Garden, the toner. I would need some more, but this one I got the Clean Dirt. I got the Pendulum Potion, that is the face cleanser. And then the Youth Dew was free. The brush was free. I have one already, but it came with the free order. And she packages stuff so nice. Let me see. Let me get this out. Okay, so also one of the things that with the Pendulum Potion, it came with a towel. There's Foliate and Bath and Facial Steam Towel. She has bowls, towels, treatment brushes for everything. So this is what this came with. And it's a very nice towel. I like how she put, look at this, the presentation, just the stock card, just to tell you how to use the towel and things. And you can use this over your whole body. Oh, so there's several towels in here. Oh, you get two. Okay. Let me open one up. Okay, so it's a nice size towel. Comes all the way down, so yeah, you get two of them. Oh, this is nice. That's a set emblem on here. It also has a thing that you can hang, and it came in its own box. So that's nice. It says, knit by a small maker in Lithuania. Our texturally delicious premium organic cotton fibers cocoon and awaken the skin as makeup, spent cells, and environmental debris are swept away with ease. Fold into quarters and saturate with warm water before pressing over the face and neck for luxurious facial steam. Twist into a roll to exfoliate the back, shoulders, hips, and thighs. And finally, drape over your chest and belly in the bath, soothing stressed nerves as you soak and gently massage. Breathe deep and enjoy. Oh, that's nice. So let me explain to y'all what each of these are. Okay, so this is the one I got. I didn't realize that you could get with or without the towel. I got with a towel. I'm not sure if it was, yeah, I don't know. Hold on. Okay, with my last order, the pendulum potion came for free. It was a smaller size. This is the pendulum potion right here. So I ended up getting the pendulum potion with the towel for $150. But if you don't want the towel, you can just get the 100 ml for $80. It's a sensorial feast of antioxidant-rich goodness, cushions and lovely cleanses the skin, effortlessly melting away makeup, sunblock, and environmental debris while softening and clearing congestion and dullness. Emulsifier and surfactant-free, the Pendulum Potion nourishing oils bond with the skin's pollutant before they are swept clear with a soft, steamy cloth. So again, you can get it with the towel for $150 or without the towel for $80. I think I just picked anything. And I will say the Pendulum Potion does work. Once I knew how to pretty much use it, I think I had tried all these years ago when I first came across her, and I was like, it's just an oil, but it actually really do work. And the way I can tell is that when I push my nose up, I don't have as much filament, which means that the cleansers that I'm using from her are getting deep down into my pores and stuff. So it really is a good cleanser. Also, the mud mask is also a cleanser. You can mix those together. You can mix together the other cleanser that I have that is like a treatment. You can, she gives you all of the tips and tricks to how to use her stuff. So let's get on to the next. Okay, so now you have the Clean Dirt. The Clean Dirt is an energizing blend of cleansing clays, warming spices, and restorative salts. Lifts impurities while a surge of H2O activated vitamin C encourages cellular rejuvenation and undeniable luminosity. Our original powder to mousse, cult favorite, transforms and refines the skin's appearance and functionality through impressively effective exfoliation. This stimulating treatment reduces congestion, discoloration, and post-acne marks, leaving you velvety smooth and gorgeously radiant. You can go on here and get the tips and tricks on how to use it, facts and questions, and things like that. So and also too, it'll show you this as well, like questions that people ask as well. So that's that. Let's get to the next. Okay. So now we got the Youth Dew. I got this for free with my order from just ordering these two. With the towel, I got the Youth Dew for free because that's what they was running on that special. And the treatment brush, which is very high quality, I must say. So the Youth Dew, this is the ultimate daily glow potion, providing gorgeous hydration and a serious vitamin cocktail while transforming skin with a power-packed bouquet of 21 ambitiously regenerating and indulgent plant and botanical oils. And again, you get all of the tips and tricks on how to use these oils. Again, the last one I got, it was a smaller size. Was it a small? No, the Youth Dew I got a sample of. Let me show you the sample. So the Pendulum Potion I got for free. and with my last order, and this is she send out a 30 ml, which is a 1 ounce. I've since finished this, and I've been using the put-in mask as my cleanser until my order came. And then also what she does normally is they give out free samples, but since they was running so many specials with the holidays and then their 14th anniversary, they took that down. But this was the sample that I picked, and this is how it would come. And as you can see, you don't need a lot of it, but let's see. You can see I still got some in here. You don't need a lot of it. I still got quite a bit. So what I do is I mix this with my blue cocoon. I'll do like 1 to 2 drops, like ding ding, 1 to 2 drops in my hand with a smidget of the blue cocoon, and I mix it together. And that's what I do. You can use this on its own. I don't want to spill this. You can use it on its own as well. Sometimes I use the youth dew during the day, and I use the blue cocoon at night. And sometimes at night I just mix the two. Like I said, I just drop 2 dots in my hand with a smidget of the blue cocoon. For me, I really don't need a lot of it. If your skin is more drier, you may. But the normal size of the youth dew is a 1 ml, and I believe her stuff is not cheap. I'm not gonna lie, but she also don't use cheap ingredients as well, so you gotta take that into account. The youth dew for 30 ml is $185. That's why I was telling y'all, whenever you can find a good deal on her stuff, jump at it, because it's easy to spend $200 and you get, to try a product. This is a 30 ml, but it's enough that it can last you. Sometimes you only need about 2-3 pumps to cleanse your face, maybe 4. I use 3 to cleanse your face real good. So it'll give you a chance. And then when her samples, say you want the pendulum potion, you get that, and then you get a bunch of samples. Or like I said, this was free. So I got this and a brush for free with my last order. With this order, not only did I get a $50, normally it would have been $15 with this order, but because they were doing their holiday sale and their anniversary, if you spent $200, you got this for free, $185. This is $37, and you can still get this for free if you spend a certain amount of money on the site now, and money back. Yeah, so these 2 was free. And all I did was order this with these 2 with the towel. And I got free shipping. I got a $50 credit and 2 free products. So you gotta know how to work it. When I come in and tell y'all this, I truly believe in her stuff, that it really does help keep your skin healthy. Of course, I don't have problematic skin, but I do have reactive skin. And if I don't take care of my skin, I will have a lot of breakouts, redness, whiteheads, things like that. So I have to stay on top of my facial care, and I don't suggest going cheap with facial care as well. That's one of the things you don't want to go cheap with. If you can find some clean or green beauty products that are reasonable and you look at their ingredients, then go for it. But to say, I'm gonna go get Clearasil or whatever it is that they got on the shelf, I wouldn't use that stuff. Because first of all, you're not in high school. You're not a teenager. You're an adult. go buy yourself some adult face care, especially if you're a mature woman. Especially if you are a mature woman, because you can't get back them golden days where you didn't take care of your skin when you were younger. You can't go back there, so now you just got to go forward. As a mature woman, do not go cheap on your face products. So I'm going to show you this screen of what I'm talking about when it comes to her deals and what they still got going on. So as you can see, I put some stuff in my cart. So I wanted to see if the thing was still what it was. So it says gift of full size and free. If you can see here, it says what I already spent. You'll earn $15 in store credit for this purchase. Spend $30 more to earn $40. So I got one Jasmine Garden, two honey muds. And it gives you, these are what you have to pick from for free is the Happy Galaxy and the good stuff. I believe these are her body products. Yeah, her body oils. So that's what she had right now. So that's all I got. I'm going to go and get myself ready for bed. My knee is stiff and killing me. But I just wanted to come in and show y'all my May Lindstrom. Did y'all buy anything that I recommended for the holiday? Let me know down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up on the way in, please. It's free. And let me know if you got anything that I did videos on. I'm very happy with my May Lindstrom order. I should have got my Jasmine Garden, but with my $50 credit, I'll go back in and I'll get that. And maybe a the pudding mask. I will get those two and use my $50 credit. So I will see y'all in the next video. And peace.